Welcome to our Quantum Matrix Dispute Technology, Pay-Per-Delete, Credit Repair Program Service Agreement page. As you read on our no-obligation consultation scheduling page, for us to be able to have the consultation, answer your questions, and to help you better understand your credit situation, we have to have a signed agreement in place in order to be in compliance with federal regulations. We know this is uneasy for you, and burdensome, for us. There is good news. We built into this agreement no obligation for you, which will allow you to get all of your questions answered while it allows us to be in compliance with this federal regulation. This regulation prohibits credit repair companies from speaking with consumers over the phone, or by other methods like Zoom, Google Meet, or other virtual services, prior to a service agreement being in place. Many other companies are willing to break this regulation frequently to get your business, but if they are willing to break this regulation, what other regulation or law are they willing to break? This is one of the many things that sets the Credit Dispute Center apart from the rest. When you sign the agreement, you have no obligation to continue services until you decide to move forward and make a payment for the initial audit, with your credit rescue plan and attorney document processing startup fee. After you sign the agreement below, you will notice a section with some documents to download, and an area where you can upload documents to us, such as the identity verification documents we will need to send with your disputes, or credit reports directly from the credit bureaus. This section is not required right now, but if you would like to get a head start on your credit repair program and put us to work faster, we encourage you to download the forms and get most of the documents we need back to us as soon as possible. Thank you again for signing up for your no-obligation consultation. As a reminder, we do have to have a signed agreement in place to be able to do our consultation. We will have to cancel your appointment if the agreement has not been signed. We look forward to meeting with you and beginning the journey to a healthy credit report and score, and give you peace of mind, knowing your credit will be available when you need it.